Which date?
19th.
19th?
Yes, of January.
Yeah, we can start next year if you want to. If I'm still alive. Yeah, I mean.
Yes, it's 19 January.
Yeah. Hey. Remember, Mr. Nisi once said, when we were trying to arrange for the
inspection
in road crew, remember? And then Gininda kept on saying, no, you know what? We need to get the police organized. We must get armored cars and blah, blah.
Oh, yes, yeah.
And he said, no, man, why can't we just go out and then have the inspection in local? South Africa is not a banana republic. You remember?
Yes.
Now I can tell him South Africa is a banana republic. They want to kill a judge. They want to kill a sitting judge. You know, even in America, you know how America is violent. They have never killed a judge. In South Africa, the last judge they killed was Justice Cooper. Have you heard about that? You weren't there. You were not born.
No.
1967. I remember because I was still playing for Pirates.
Yeah, I was already born.
Oh, you were born. Oh, sorry. Yeah, but Justice Cooper, he was handling a case of the Beta gang. There was a gangsters, Beta gang, blah, blah, blah. He was sitting in his sitting room, reading. And somebody came, pumped bullets into him, and he died. And that crime was never solved. They called Scotland Yard, they called the FBI. It was just unfortunate.
Sure.
At least the other guy they killed, but he was an academic, Rick Turner, you remember?
Yes.
In Natal. But
yes.
We know he was killed by so-called apartheid police. But with Justice Cooper, nobody ever found out.
Sure.
One judge in 100 years. This Supreme Court started in 1887 in the old Transvaal Republic. Only one judge has been killed. Maybe I'll join him. Okay.
Yeah. My Lord, I've got instructions from accused number 1, 2, and 3 to raise the following, my Lord. Firstly, Mr. Kwabeni is still on the stand. He hasn't finalized his testimony. Now, the court has made a ruling that the witnesses that the court has mentioned come and testify from Monday.
You didn't hear when I read the law. Interpret the law for them. 186. That's not me saying that.
Yes.
That's a him. One among some it is a law we inherited from England. Let me use this thing. Yeah. It's a good question you've asked. But this is what the law says. The court may at any stage, of criminal proceedings examine any person. You want 67, yes. 186.
Yes.
Just interpret.
Inkantolo ngathi nangasiphi isikhathi
At any stage may examine any person other than an accused.
ukuthi noba umuphi umuntu ngaphandleni kwakheke umsolwa
who has been subpoenaed to attend such proceedings or who is in attendance of such proceedings.
obiziweke ukuthi ke eze enkantolo noma ke okhona ke nanjengoba icala liqhubeka liqulwa.
and may recall and re-examine any person, including an accused.
nokuthi ke inkantolo inako ke ukuthi ingaphinde ibuze futhi iphinde ibize futhi nokuthi ihlome futhi ngemibuzo noma imuphi umuntu nokufaka phakathi ke umsolwa
Already examined in the proceedings.
umuntu oke ebesebiziwe noma ebesekhona enkantolo obesebuthulile ubufakazi
And the court shall examine or recall and re-examine the person concerned if his evidence appears to be to the court essential for the just decision of the case.
nokuthi inkantolo isingabiza futhi ke iphinde ihlome futhi ke umuntu loyo ngemibuzo ukuthi noma kuukuthi umuntu obesezile enkantolo yasenkantolo yamdedela ke ukuthi ke useqedile ukuthula ubufakazi bakhe ke uma kuukuthi inkantolo ke ithola ukuthi ke ubufakazi bakhe bumqoka noma ke bubalulekile ukusiza nokulekelela inkantolo ukuthi ifikelele kwisinqumo okuyisona nesifanelekile.
186. The court may at any stage of criminal proceedings subpoena or cause to be subpoenaed any person as a witness at such proceedings.
Beku 167 ke manje u186 ke onaye ke oshoyo futhi ukuthi inkantolo inako inkantolo ingakwenza ukuthi nangasiphi isikhathi sokuqulwa kwecala ibize umuntu noma ibize futhi umuntu obese kade ekhona enkantolo.
And the court shall so subpoena a witness or so cause a witness to be subpoenaed if the evidence of such a witness appears to the court essential for the just decision of the case.
Uma kuukuthi ke inkantolo ithola ukuthi ke ubufakazi lobo ke ubufakazi ke obusemqoka obubalulekile ukulekelela nokuthi ke inkantolo ifinyelele kwisinqumo okuyisona.
And this section says, even after the counsels have closed their case, even if they've closed their case, even after they've argued, the court can still call a witness at any stage.
Lo mthetho ke uthi noma sekusemuva kokuthi ke abameli sebeqedile ukubiza ofakazi babo babizile abasolwa bababiza ofakazi babo ke sebelethe izethulo zabo phambi kwenkantolo inkantolo inako ukuthi ke ingaphinde futhi emuva kwalokho ibize ufakazi.
So the cross examination of Mr. Gwabeni, is it?
Gwabeni, yes.
Yeah,
Senator.
Gwabeni can continue thereafter because he has made or said or testified to evidence which the court wants to hear
Yes.
from persons who are accused of saying or doing or things. Okay.
Busengaqhubeka ke ubufakazi bakhe ke umnumzana uGwabeni emuva kwaloko ngoba ke umnumzana uGwabeni wethule ubufakazi ngabona ke labantu noma ke kunezinsolo ayishilo ngalabantu laba ke inkantolo isifuna uza kubona ke emuva kwalokho ke yila ubufakazi bakhe ke sebungaqhubeka khona.
So I take your point, but we can do it at any stage.
Yeah, let me
Inkantolo iyanizwa ukuthi nithini kodwa ke ithi ingakwenza noma yisiphi isikhathi.
now, my lord, raise the second point as
Yeah.
to the procedural cumbersome of that, my lord, because right after those witnesses, then Gwabeni comes in, and then we call, for example, I'm just making an example, another witness that comes and say also, yes, but I also was arrested and
Fine.
assaulted by these police officers.
Yeah.
Then after that, we'll recall the same police officers and repeat the same process.
Yes, everybody must have a say. We are looking for the truth.
Okay.
You can come with a witness from England, and he'll probably say, "Yeah, you know what? I was at that Ngoman, Sugu. I was passing and I saw some dances there, and I looked and I looked and I looked. I don't know. Any witness who knows something, and he wants to contribute to this case, he can do so, as long as it is relevant." Okay.
So, my lord, I also consulted
Hello?
I also consulted with my clients. There is two issues that I wish to
Yeah, fine.
to understand, because according to the evidence of Gwabeni, there is two stages of his evidence. It is the stage of the assault
Yeah, fine.
by the said police
Yeah.
officers. So, we will be holding a trial within a trial.
No, we're not holding a trial within a trial. We want to hear your view, your evidence about the fact that Rata says, you assaulted me.
And the concerns that they are raising, my lord, the alleged assault were not in connection with this case, but they
Which
related to to the murder case that we are dealing with here in court. They were relating to the possession of a firearm case,
Which one is that now?
the assaults.
Yeah. They say Mapumulo squeezed the firearm into the bedside.
Yes.
Yeah, it will be put to him. You had a firearm. You planted the firearm on the bedside so that Mr. Gwabeni should be arrested. And indeed he was arrested. We'll hear what he says. I don't know. I don't even know whether Mr. Mapumulo was charged. I mean, Mr. Gwabeni was charged for possession of a firearm. I don't know. Do you know?
No, I don't know.
That's the point. But he was arrested for a firearm, according to him. He says when he was at number 6, sleeping there.
Yes, that's what he says.
That's it. Mapumulo came and planted the firearm, and he told him, I'm not that fool. You can't plant a firearm and arrest me. I remember that evidence.
So the evidence of these witnesses, including Brigadier Keninda, will also encompass the
Yes,
the manner
yes.
in which the statement was obtained.
Even Gwabeni, not Gwabeni, Mr.
Absalom Zongo.
Yeah, Mr. Absalom Zuma, he says, actually in his essence, he says Keninda forged his signature. Or he got somebody to forge his signature. So he must answer to that. I don't know what he's going to say. Maybe he'll say, yes, I told Mapumulo to forge his signature. I don't know what he's going to say. But he must be given a chance because he's a senior policeman who has defeated the ends of justice by forging a signature, according to Mr. Absalom. You heard him. He even said, even me, I'm corrupt. He said that. I'm corrupt. But at least I asked him in my defense, do you mean I'm corrupt? And then he apologized. No. You are not that corrupt. I'm not like the guys who are at Matlanga Commission. Okay,
Let us see on Monday.
are we now adjourning and meeting next year?
Well, my lord, as you've indicated, the defense team has intimated that they're available next week. We haven't checked with the rest of the court personnel if
Mr.
they're
Jonas, when are
available.
you not available?
I'm still on duty, my lord. Just Monday might be a problem, just Monday, but I'm still on duty. Just Monday, maybe Tuesday.
Let's adjourn until the 19th.
As the court closes.
Yeah, because it's going to cause problems. You can see that.
The other thing is yesterday's argument hasn't been interpreted to the
Yeah,
office.
let him interpret it. He said he would interpret.